American muscle van. V10 1999 Ford Econoline E350 6.8 liter. If this is your first time on my channel, here's the interior of the V10 American muscle van. I didn't have a chance to pretty it up. I'm actually filming this on July 3rd. I wanted to get this video out on the 4th of July, so happy 4th of July. Had to get this video up. America only has a 250th birthday one time, so here's a van. I'm actually gonna return some stuff right now at the UPS store. This wiring harness didn't work out for me. Ordered another wiring harness. I wanted to wire the off-road lights today, but I don't have the right stuff for it, so we'll do it some other day. But yeah, there's a van. If you've been here before, you've seen this van a billion times. So here's my van a billion and one times. Awning windows with blinds. Here's the other awning window right here. Wasatch Overland. Man, I want some ice cream now. I'm probably gonna get some. So, dark, screened, sky hatch. This will be nice if it's a clear sky. You can see the stars if you're at the right area. So I'm gonna film my other cars too. Some American muscle videos for the 4th of July. I got this high top roof more than a month ago, and one of the options I ordered was this light bar. It was empty forever. Finally put the lights on it. Now I just have to wire it. Unfortunately, I didn't have the right parts for it, so hopefully it comes in tomorrow and I'll have it done by the weekend. More muscle car content right here. All right, everyone, be safe.